What's up, YouTube? So today we're at Adams Polishes Anaheim Cars and Coffee, and we're over here with Sierra, me, Joey, and Nikki. Have one car rolled in, got the Catfish Camaro. That car cut off Sierra on the way in, crazy. And then she's just being an old person. She's gonna be here with the old people that park here.
I need the Corvette.
And yeah. Have an R35 pulling up. Can I zoom in? Right there, and an Accord. Joey made sure that I said Accord. Wow. Sounding pretty good. Pretty nice. Anthony rolling up, which is the manager of Adam Polishes Anaheim, with a clean ass 370Z. Has like 10k miles on it. Ridiculous. Look at that. The paint on this thing is freaking immaculate for a what, like 10-year-old damn car. Insane. Always keeps it clean. Have to when you're the manager of Adams Polishes. Only like really clean Z that I know of. Then you have this boy rolling up with the big wang. Gave us a little pop as he was rolling in. A little GR86. BR86S, as I like to call him. You got America rolling through. Scatty with the shaker. The shaker, yeah. We got a nice GT 500 rolling up. Dang boy, S197. Yeah. Termy. Nice Termy. Damn boy. Look at that. America came through. And a motorcycle. That Termy sounds so good. Damn. Oof. Smells good too. Sexy, sexy. Look at this boy rolling in. Not very often you see Lotuses. Lotuses. Let's ask. Is it Lotuses or Lotusi for multiple? Lotusiasis. I don't think we're allowed to say that on YouTube, by the way.
It's
See what's pulling up.
So it's still sitting
Some Beamer boys. And then also down there we have some JDM coming in. An old Teggy and a S2K. We'll see them when they're rolling up. Look at this. Type R.
Oh.
Type R Integra. Wow. Right-hand drive. We got the S2K. I was like, please be careful for that 90,000 vehicle up there.
Dead ass, bro. Right-hand drive and a Type R.
And then the beautiful color G80. These things are nice.
That's great.
We'll go take a look at them in a bit. This thing is crazy.
Don't hurt my baby.
With the Recaro seats. Wow. Very nice. There you go. Type R. Right-hand drive. This thing is probably like the most expensive thing here right now.
I'm wet.
Next to the Lotus. Drifty boy pulling up.
That thing's fucking beautiful.
It looks a lot better now.
I like the ride.
They stopped at Dutch Bros like 30 minutes away before they got here because of this one right here.
He took forever. I was on him.
He was getting his hair ready. Is that I hear? Is that I hear? Wow.
That's going in.
Wow.
Talking English today.
I had a stroke. I'm sorry, guys. I believe I hear a blower on that C5.
Where the fuck did it go?
It's parked right there.
Oh, it's tornado.
I'm gonna go check it out in a bit. This boy is leaving now. Sounding good. Oof. Damn. Let's see if we can get a send right now. Here he goes. Almost got hit by the Tesla. Rip. Another one. Puppy boy. You got Angel rolling up right now. Ooh, that sounds good. This boy. Tilty. Dang, boy. Sounding good. Friggin' Angel. Hey, real quick guys, if you find yourself coming back to the channel or if it's your first time, please consider subscribing because it is the best way to support my channel. And without further ado, let's get back to the sends. A few sends right now. Lotus in line. Here he comes. Sounds crazy. Damn. Got a Type R? No send. No send. Got the Challenger. Will at least send it. No sends. Rip. C5. Damn. Oh. And jogger. Got a nice little Camaro rolling through. Sounded pretty good. Damn. Got the Teggy rolling out. Beautiful. And the S2K.
That was so
Wow.
fucking lame, bro.
Why'd he stop? What happened? Got the Termy leaving with the GT500.
Oh my god, 3 cars are leaving at once.
Gonna be a very nice send.
Wow.
Then you got the homies. The homies. First one. No. No.
No, this shit.
Damn. That sucks.
Those things turn that way?
Oh, they might be turning around.
No, these ones are turning. Yes, stone wall. It's turning.
A little EcoBoost.